Computer vision. Not many people know where to start. I mean, how does a computer see, or what does it really see from a picture or a video? There are intricacies when capturing something into an image. Today, we're delving into a mesmerizing art form that takes us back to the roots of photography, a technique that whispers secrets from ancient times: pinhole projection. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and witness the captivating magic of capturing images with nothing but a tiny hole and the play of light. Pinhole projection is a simple yet powerful method of creating images without the need for a lens. Instead, it relies on the basic principle of light passing through a tiny hole and projecting an inverted image on the opposite surface. This technique dates back to ancient civilizations, where scholars and artists used it to study light and optics. The beauty of pinhole projection lies in its simplicity. All you need is a light-tight container, such as a shoebox or a can, in which you make a small hole on one side. This pinhole acts as the camera's aperture, allowing light to enter the container and project an image on the opposite inner surface. You place photosensitive material, like film or photographic paper, on this surface, and voila! You have your own homemade camera obscura, the precursor to the modern camera. What makes pinhole projection truly magical is its ability to capture images with infinite depth of field. Unlike regular cameras with adjustable apertures, pinhole cameras have an extremely small aperture size, often just a fraction of a millimeter. This means that everything, from objects close to the pinhole to those far away, is in sharp focus. The resulting images have a dreamlike quality, with every detail captured with remarkable clarity. One of the most intriguing aspects of pinhole projection is its slow exposure times. Because the aperture is so small, it requires longer exposure times to allow enough light to reach the photosensitive material. This slow process transforms photography into a meditative experience, where time seems to stretch, and the camera becomes a tool for capturing the passage of time itself. Moreover, pinhole projection encourages experimentation and creativity. You can turn practically anything into a pinhole camera, from cereal boxes to entire rooms. By varying the size of the pinhole, you can control the sharpness and brightness of the image. You can even create panoramic pinhole cameras by using cylindrical containers, capturing wide vistas with a unique perspective. Additionally, pinhole projection allows you to create captivating solar eclipse viewers. During a solar eclipse, the pinhole camera can project a safe, real-time image of the eclipse onto a surface, enabling you to witness this awe-inspiring celestial event without the need for special eyewear. But pinhole projection is not just about the final image, it's about the process. It teaches us patience, mindfulness, and the art of seeing the world differently. It reminds us that in our fast-paced digital age, there's immense beauty in slowing down and appreciating the simple, natural play of light. So, how can you get started with pinhole projection? Well, it's incredibly easy and accessible. You can find numerous DIY tutorials online that guide you through the process of creating your own pinhole camera. It's a fantastic project for schools, art classes, or simply a weekend creative endeavor. As we wrap up today's exploration of pinhole projection, I encourage you to give it a try. Embrace the simplicity, embrace the slow process, and let your creativity flow. Share your pinhole images with the world, and who knows, you might inspire others to see the world through a pinhole too. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey into the world of pinhole projection. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep embracing the magic of pinhole projection. Happy capturing!